welcome back to a brand new Animal Jam video. So today I put together a Rares Over Friends skit for you. I tried to make it as original as possible so that you can enjoy it more. Also, in the process of making this, nobody was scammed at all. In fact, all the roles were actually played by me. So yeah, don't report anybody. It was all just acting, it was all just a skit, everything is a-okay. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. I just thought it was a normal day, but little did I know this day would change my life forever. From that day on, they became the best of friends. They played lots of games, they laughed together, they cried together, they were always right there to have each other's backs, no matter what. But Clover was so tired of being bullied and pushed around all day. One day, Clover had a thought like no other. What if she could be rare? Now, of course, with this idea, Clover meant no harm at all. She would never scam anybody, especially not her best friend. Now, everything would have been fine, but Clover got a jag, and it was no normal jag. It was from the cool kid, and this was her dream, to be just like this person. But she didn't know what to do, because technically the items weren't hers. So she thought for a long time, and finally she just told Gold that she had to go for a little bit. Clover knew what she had to say. They thought they were her items? How crazy. But she didn't want to tell them the truth because then she wouldn't be cool anymore. So she made up a lie. Meanwhile, Golden was waiting for her buddy to reunite with her, but nothing ever happened, so she decided to message her. She looked on her friends list, but Clover wasn't there. What had happened? Little did she know those two words would change her life forever. At that point, she noticed how bad she had been lying to the cool kids. She remembered that was the exact same thing she said to Golden before she took her items. At that moment, Clover knew exactly what Golden felt like, how alone she must feel. There were no more laughs together, there was no more cries together, there was nobody there to have your back. It was just Clover alone. Was it too late to ask Golden for forgiveness? thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said in the beginning, make sure you don't report anybody because it was all just a skit and it was all just acted by me. So I know that like every Rares Over Friends has this at the end of it, so don't get like all annoyed by it. But never choose Rares Over Friends. Like, it's a game, I know, so the items are just pixels, whatever, but there's still someone on the other side that is still seeing that and they're feeling like that just happened to them. And you can even put it in like a realistic way. If I'm like friends with a super rich person and they're my only friend, but I go over and I take all their money, well, you just took something from them, which means they might not want to talk to you anymore because you just took something from them. And then if, and this is going to be like really far out, but if you die and you don't have any friends because you'd rather take all the stuff from them, you're not going to have anybody to remember you, to think like, that was a really good person. So, yeah, that was a really odd way to put it, but that's how I put it. Anyways, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.
Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks.